I'm Lesley Logan, and I have bicep curls for you today. All right, so you want to stand about hips distance apart, parallel. It's not really a bicep curl because it's more like your elbows are bent, but you're not trying to pull your fist to your shoulders. You're trying to lift your arms up, and it's easier said than done. So here we go. I'm pretty close to the Cadillac because I need to be a little easier. You could be a little further away, but you bend the elbows and then you lift the bar up along the Cadillac, right? So not fist to shoulders, but lift and then lift your elbows up. Whew. And stand on both legs. I promise you, it makes it easier. You're not locking your knees out, and lift and lift and lift and lift. Good. 3 to 5 of those will teach your body a lot about how you lift your arms up, and that's going to help affect your rowing too, right? And your horseback and your kneeling arm circles and your teaser arm circles. So give that a try if any of those are a struggle for you, and then go try those and let me know how it feels in the comments below. I'm Lesley Logan. To put this into a workout or to get some feedback and advice and support and accountability from me, check out onlinepilatesclasses.com, where we have memberships on lots of different things.